So how do I manage my subcontractor certificates of insurance? This is very important for risk management, that you do have all of your subcontractors' certificates of insurance. You make sure that they do name you as additional insured. They give you a hold harmless agreement, which means that they will hold from harming you if their work causes damage to your project. So they're not going to come back and subrogate to you. They're not going to come back and say, hey, could you help us pay part of this claim? Or their insurance company can't come back to your company, is the hold harmless agreement. The idea is you need to manage your subcontractor certificates of insurance. And how do you go about doing that? That can be very tedious. And there is software out there available where you can put all their certificates into a program. It will manage the workers' comp and their liability insurance. It'll make sure and give you a heads up when does their policy 30 days prior, when it's going to be up for renewal. So then you can automatically go out to that subcontractor, send them an email and say, hey, I need an updated certificate of insurance from you on this policy that's expiring on this date. It's very important that you manage those certificates of insurance. That is risk management, so your insurance company works correctly. Your insurance will protect you because you're required to basically get a certificate of insurance from all your subcontractors, naming you additionally insured, and it requires them to make sure they have the adequate amount of liability insurance, and it should have that they all have workers' comp. So that is really important in the process. It's also a tedious job, is to make sure that you're collecting those from all your contractors and that you have a system or a process that helps you manage it, because manually doing it is very tough, especially depending on how many contractors you have. If you're a large construction company, you'd have to have a system in place, and there is systems, there is a software that you can use that will do that. It'll also do lots of other things in helping you with your company on the risk management side, but it's a software that you put the information in and then it'll notify you 30 days prior or whatever time you want it to tell you when to request their certificate from your subcontractors. All right, so I just thought this was a great video to do because a lot of people don't know that there's software and applications out there that can help you manage your certificates of insurance for your subcontractors. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to check out any of my other videos. If you have any questions regarding this subject matter, please contact me or email me. Thanks.